ginagawa?
How do I choose the roles? With Maine, of course, maybe one day, I don't know when, makapagpagawa po. Let's say we did a film, and definitely I would love to work with my wife. But regarding your second question, how do I choose my roles? I don't really choose, to be honest. I would love to say I choose. But more than choosing, I just trust the process. I trust the management. I trust the colleagues, the Carlos, the director, all the people I work with. They put me here. So whatever role they give me, minsan lang po, yung schedule na lang po yung pinipili ko. So that's about it, no? But I'm just really grateful that you've given me all these roles to be able to express my creativity as an artist with all opportunities and all boxes, without being boxed out in whatever way. It's been such a journey, no? How many years? 11 years na po. It's been very fast. But I'm always just so grateful because, just talking about those roles, it's been, every role has been an opportunity and a learning curve for me, given all the opportunities that all the bosses and all the management, production staff are giving me.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Bob.
Maraming salamat. Thank you, Bobby. Next question, Ms.
Si
Tess.
Alan Santon, next question.
Alan Santon.
Hi, congratulations.
Hello, Bob.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
I'm so happy for you. Success ng career, ng love life.
Thank you, Bob.
Yung question ko is, kasama din ba sa plan nyo ni May to have a baby soon? Parang yan din inaantay ng tao kailan mo siya sa yeah.
I would love to
answer. Ikaw ka pa ni Rian.
I'm very happy for my sister. I'm very happy. But regarding us, secret na lang po. Of course, we talk about it. But that's between us two lang muna. For now, we're really enjoying each other's time kasi hindi naman po ito mauulit. Kaming dalawa na lang po together for a long time. So we're just enjoying po. And yun po, secret na lang po kung kailan. That's between us na po. But definitely we talk about it. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thanks, Alan. We have Villa Vivar.
Villa Vivar of Pangmasa.
Hi, congrats. Magiging tito ka na. Anong feeling?
Masaya. This is the fourth generation kasi Manila ng Pipinsan and our first cousins sa Taipei side. We have no pamangkins yet. So, ito yung pinakauna. Of course, and I'm very much excited. Hindi ko na ma-explain. I'm just waiting. And of course, all out support to Ria and Z. Hindi ko na pa pang sasabihin ko, this is their story to tell. Sorry, but yun po. I'm just very excited. Super all-out support for them, and much love to Sandro as well.
Thanks, Villa. We have Tita Mercy Lijardo. One question, Tita Mercy.
Hello po. Hello po.
Ang kwento ko po, paano niyo po napapag-survive ang dalawang career mo being a politician and an actor? Hindi ba kayo na-stress?
Lahat naman tayo dito stress siguro sa kanya-kanya trabaho. But definitely, there's a way to manage stress. There's time management. How do I work with it? During my breaks po, in Congress po, meron kami mga isang buwan ng kalahati, isang buwan, isang halos 2 buwan na hindi naman talaga bakasyon. We also live on the district. So during those times, just to explain, during those times of my breaks, isang buwan na yun, let's say 1 month and a half, I divided instead of, since wala po kaming Congress, we have no responsibilities in the plenary, I divided po. So I do this sick work, I do this sick work, and that's throughout the week of my vacation. When we're back to Congress, then I'll just have maybe shootings at least once a week po. But at least it's all divided from district to Congress and to my, of course, sa aking hanap buhay din naman at least weekly. So yun po.
Pero may time na po kayo sa wahit na siya ng Himosa?
Yes po. Always. We'll never lose time for her. And, it's just, minsan na po, of course, mahirap for weeks, days, months, it's kind of hard from our schedule. But, yun po. In due time po, hopefully we can balance more. And, yun nga po, during breaks as well, yung mga singit naman din po kami ng alis-alis para at least we have our own personal time together.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next question, Ms. Janice Navila. Hi, Mare.
Congratulations!
Hello po. Nice to see you. Thank you.
Sa acting wala na proven na napakagaling mo. Pero being a first-time congressman, can you share with us kung ano yung mga naging challenge sa'yo? At gaano mo na-enjoy yung being a public servant ngayon? And kung na-enjoy mo man siya, is it possible na tumakbo ka for a higher position like Senate para maging first lady rin si May?
Oh, wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, how should I say it? What was the first question po? Sorry?
Yung challenges mo.
The challenges po.
First-time congressman.
Yes po. Challenges, of course. A lot. Of course, it's covering the whole place. More problems and problems come along. For our temporary solutions, permanent solutions that you have to apply to the district itself, to the people, things that you discovered in and out of the government, how it really works, different agencies to talk to, iba't ibang ahensya. And besides that, not only yung trabaho, but of course, your legislative agendas, your legislative responsibility as well. So, being a congressman, there are two things. Your groundwork to the people, and of course, isa sa batas bilang isang kongreso. And what made it challenging, of course, is, the dami din po ng batas. Sometimes you can't please everyone. There's no perfect bill. There's no perfect nothing. So you can't please everyone. But rest assured, as we go on and we learn, especially for the young ones, all these bills existing, like the Eddie Garcia bill and all this stuff, have already existed from the past that we just had to revive. And that was between me and Prof. De Venecia, our chairman for the creative industry, and all these things. You get to learn more of how to explore like ways and innovative ways of changing. Because sometimes po may mga batas na rin po na existing, it's just that it's not modernized up to this day. And there's so much more to tackle, there's so much more to tell you. But definitely made it challenging are all the new things that I discovered along the way of how to help people, how the long process goes, and all these things. But every challenge was accepted. We went through it. We talked to who we had to talk to. We obeyed or abide on rules depending on who agency to talk to. So we were very blessed to be held by each and every one. And it turned out to be easier than po because, to be honest, the sitting administration, with President Bongbong Marcos, Speaker Martin Romualdez, have been very, very supportive po talaga sa congressman. And that's bias aside po. I'm telling you, it's just speaking of personal experience. They've been very, very supportive, and it made everything easier, especially for us who were trying to, figure out all these new problems that we never discovered and never had. So,
obviously, you're enjoying the challenges that you're going through. Kaya yung follow-up question ko, is it possible for you to run for Senate?
Senate? To tell you honestly po, I want to take it day by day. People have been asking me this. I want to take it day by day. Politics doesn't work that way. I don't see it that way. But day by day, you can be very knowledgeable when you get to a certain position. By the book, even. So for me, I'm taking day by day. I'm not ambitious as that, but I am ambitious of helping people and trying to do something and making a change in every way I can through a district. But definitely, in terms of higher position, I'm not speaking of I'm not saying that capable or what. No, I'm taking it day by day, and once I learn, I'll know if I can. I'll know if I'm not. I'll be honest. I won't fake it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mars. Next, we have Ali Ignacio.
Okay, Arjo.
Hello.
I just have a question. Since you're serving two masters right now, which is showbiz and politics, amongst them, which makes you happier? And ano yung mas nakakapag-bigyan sa'yo ng fulfillment?
Oh, wow. Wow, it's a very nice question. Choosing between two different fields, two different fields for it. I can't explain. Fulfillment. I help people because I have to and I can. Fulfillment is not even a feeling. Fulfillment, I feel once I've done something as a whole. Once there is something, that's when I feel fulfilled. Not really helping. I can't explain, but it's really hard to explain. It's a very hard question. It's a very personal question. I take it personally. It's not about fulfillment. On the side of helping, I just want to help and I can. We want to make a change. I said in this area, I can't do it for the whole Philippines. I'll do it here, and we've been doing it for 2 years so far, so good. With the other side of acting, that's my playground. As a person, hanap buhay ko din po. That's where also I started. That's where I know people. That's why also partly I'm here. Kinalaman na rin po yun sa pag-showbiz ko, of course, for awareness. And I won't take that away. That's reality. But again, fulfillment siguro po as a whole. I feel fulfilled in both, but really more on acting side personally. But on the helping side, I know it's more than fulfilled. It's not a fulfilled. I can't explain. I just really have to. I want to help. I can help. So that's my mentality when it comes to that side. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thanks, Alwin.
Salamat, Alwin!